Hello guys, welcome back to the second channel. Today I'm going to be giving my thoughts on the 2019 Honda Accord. Those rims are ugly. It's okay. It's too long. That's what she said. It's too long. Here's a previous gen, 2007. No. I don't like it. Let's check out this interior. Is this, wanna be a Mercedes looking? Wanna be a Mercedes? Okay. What? Honda Accord Type R? Is this real? I don't think so. If it is, it's ugly. I like the color, the red. This red. Blurry. Goddamn blurry pictures. That red though. I don't like it. It's Might like it in the future, but it's ugly. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.